Hi everybody, this is Kathy Grossworth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and today I am going to go into topics 1 and 2 of the basic recertification exam of the intermediate skills to pass your recertification. I can't give you any specifics on any of the questions, but we can kind of talk about the highlights of what is going to be included. This is the third video in my current series. I will provide the links to the other two videos in the description and the comments. But we are going to be talking about these first two topics that you see, the new and enhanced features for accountant users and new and enhanced features for managing lists and transactions. And you can access this information in your ProAdvisor portal by going to over here, ProAdvisor, Training, and then when you open that up, click on the Training Library and navigate over to what's new in QuickBooks Online 2023 recertification. I go over that in the previous week's video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on this right here. This is the first area. And basically when we're talking about new and enhanced features for accountant users, you can go ahead and see one of the things that they're going to be talking about is the revenue share program. So you're going to have to understand all about the revenue share program. And just real quick, the revenue share program is brand new. One of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that you have to sign up for it before you can actually use it. Okay, so but the training will go into all of that. But you have to apply for it before you can actually start using it and referring your customers or your clients to it. The other thing that they're going to talk about in this section is the enhancements to the shared documents tab. And basically you need to know these areas right here. And as you click on these little drop downs, it'll tell you a little bit more about what you need to know. And I'm not going to go through each of those. But you just need to go through the training and make sure you understand how all that works so that way you can answer those questions on the test. The other thing that you need to understand as well is being able to add and review requests, and there's a knowledge check at the end of every section. So that way, before you can even move on through the training, you have to answer correctly before you can actually move on. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and switch over and we're going to do the second area. So now we're going to go through the second area, which is the new and enhanced features for managing lists and transactions. And again, my whole purpose is not to give you any answers or anything, but just to kind of hit the highlights of things that you need to know. So in this section, we're going to be talking about the recurring transactions feature and how to set those up and creating and using those. The other area that is going to be covered in this section is creating and using customer types. And again, you're going to have to know all these areas in order to be able to successfully answer those questions. So you need to know all that. And then there's some talk about time tag in the accounts and settings and how all that works. And this is something brand new that many people have been asking for, especially those of you working with e-commerce, is knowing how or being able to record a negative deposit. You used to not be able to do this, but now you can in QuickBooks Online. So anyway, this training provides you with those procedures to know how to do that. Not only do you need to know how you can record that figure and what happens in the bank feed. And basically what happens in the bank feed is that in the for review, well anyway, I'm not going to talk about all that. You can read that there. Hopefully you can see all that there. But when you go through the training, you need to make sure you understand all that and how all that works. So anyway, this is what happens in the bank feed. And it talks about all that. And then basically, that is all I have today. So I'm going to go back to the original area. And again, that product training is located, like I said, in the ProAdvisor tab, training, and in the training library. You click on this to go back into it. So next time we're going to talk about areas 3 and 4, which include new features in the banking center and talking about bank rules, because there's been some changes in some of the protocols of some of the bank rules. So I'm going to kind of group those topics together. Anyway, that's all I have for y'all today. Y'all take care. We will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks Desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks Desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks Desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.